Hello, what's up guys? Luto tayo ngayon ng Patatim. So, if you like that shit, let's go! So, what are we going to do now is papakuluan natin yung pata. Initial pakulo lang to. Kasi this one is frozen and para matanggal din yung mga dumi-dumi from the pork. Then we will add, papakuluan natin. Since marami mga scum to eh, kailangan yung pork natin malinis. Wala pa kayo dito lalagay na kahit ano ha. Basta papakuluan nyo lang siya. Ayan. Once kumukulo na yan, unang kulo pa lang yan. So off muna natin. Tapos i-drain natin yan. And we're gonna clean it. Kasi madaming mga scum na yan. We're gonna remove it. Tatapon lahat yan. So we're gonna wash the pork, okay? So once we're done cleaning the pork, and we're gonna add the aromatics and spices. So I'm gonna add Loran leaves, oyster sauce, lagyan natin ito ng tubig para simut-sarap ang oyster sauce. Toyo, you have to cover it up. Five spice, my favorite. Too much five spice will change the flavor profile of your food, so wag yung masyadong Then, Star Anise. Siguro mga, tatlong bulaklak. Star Anise is also strong, so be careful with that. Nor liquid seasoning. Konti lang din. Ano ko lang to for, for the aromatics pag kumulo na ang bango niya. So that's why dagdag pa tayo ng more oyster sauce. I'm using Mamasitas, baka naman. Okay, onions, garlic and ginger, MSG for the yumminess, and water. Let's see if it will put everything. Oops, sorry. Okay, pwede na to. And then we're gonna put this in the pressure cooker. Okay, I transferred this sa instant pot natin. Tapos I forgot, we have to put some sugar pala. So I'm gonna put some brown sugar. Depende sa inyo. Because later, once we pressure cook this, lalabas pa natin to simmer. Kasi if you're gonna cook everything here sa pressure cooker nyo, hindi siya magiging ganun kalinamnam or savory. And then, lagay tayo ng konting kinchay. Gusto ko, I have my different flavor profile. So, depende sa inyo kung gaano nyo katagal. Depende sa inyo kung gaano nyo katagal siya pressure cook. Ako, I'm gonna pressure cook this for siguro 30 minutes. Tapos, itutuloy ko na siya sa kalan after that para lumabas yung linamnam ng lasa ng mismong pork natin. So, let's wait for this to finish. And then, we'll be right back. Okay, so tapos na yung pork natin and we're gonna check, and naturally na siya na natin yung mismong steam niya, and we're gonna check if it's gonna be good. So ayan na siya, ang sarap. Pero ilalabas pa natin siya to simmer and to reduce, at para rin yung fat, mag-render ng yung fat ng maigi para sobrang juicy na ito. So, sasali natin. So, na-transfer ko na yung sabaw. Transfer natin yung meat. As you can see, oh my gosh, it's already so soft. Ano lang natin siya na super lambot pero hindi siya madudurog because we don't want that. Just want it to be very, very tender, you know. This one, may walay na siya sa buto. Sobrang niya. Oh? My gosh. This is so good. And then you can adjust the taste of this. Want it sweeter or you want it more salty? But I'm sure this is already savory. So, gonna turn it on. Just gonna simmer this in low heat. Pag di siya malusaw, we're gonna taste this first. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. See, pressure cooker pa lang, pero yung lasa niya, sobrang sarap niya. I think I want this thicker. Let's see, sarap niya. Oh my. I'm gonna make this thicker para So we're gonna check. This has been simmering for like 30 minutes. So in total, pressure cooked for 30 minutes and simmered for another 30 minutes. Oh, damn. Let's taste. So good. Okay, this is done. We can garnish it with green onion mix later. So I'm gonna just keep this warm. Then we can ready na to to.
Okay, so we're gonna taste this. This is the pork hock. So let's go for the perfect bite. So the meat, the gelatinous fat. Gosh, so excited. And then the sauce. Ooh. Okay, the perfect bite. Mmm. 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 So tender. So nice. Sobrang malinamnam. And most of all, saglit lang ito and easy to cook. So if you want this kind of videos, tell us in the comments below and let us know kung ano yung lulutuin ko next. So, see you guys on the next video. Cheers!